Humber, what are your group project horror stories? We've all been there. Things don't always go to plan. So we're going to go around campus and talk to people about some of your worst experiences in group projects.
What's the worst thing that's happened to you during a group project?
Showing up to the presentation day and my partner not being there.
The class where we had our documentary, we had a major power struggle.
Like one time I had to stay awake a whole day and also the night, and I had 2 exams the following day. So I ended up flopping on my second exam.
They didn't catch their bus, and then they thought they'd just take the 0 instead of actually showing up. So I had to stand in front of the classroom by myself, not knowing their part, because in group project, let's be honest, you only know your part, and do a whole presentation about myself.
For the most part, in the beginning of filming, we worked pretty well as a unit, but when the editing process came along,
Things started to get spooky. I was petrified and scared.
To some extent, I felt betrayed.
Group projects don't have to be that bad. If that sounds like you, come and check out our workshop, LRC 3058. If you need any more information on any other workshops, check out the link below.